Good evening, everybody. Save a few minutes for me, please. Have a seat. Settle down. Can we have everybody seated to indulge me for the next half an hour? Okay, 10 minutes. Picture session still going on. I know, woman power. I hope all of you had a wonderful evening. I know I'm the only thing standing between you and that exit door. And I wish I could say I'd be short, but too many people helped put this together, and I still have 30 minutes standing time left on my clock. So you're with me for the next few minutes as I extend my thanks to everybody who made this possible. So the very first is all about Moolah. No Moolah, no conference. So I want to first thank our sponsors. We have sponsors from logo sponsors, lanyard sponsors, coffee table sponsors, lunch sponsors, platform sponsors, the whole bunch of you who came together to make it possible. It's impossible for me to read everybody's name, but at least let me give a shout out to some of our key sponsors. So I'll start with our bronze sponsor, Devesh Sahuri. They also have a table out there. And they have some door prizes. Remember to put your business cards in there over the next 3 days, and hopefully you'll win some wonderful prizes. We also had Technomile and the McLean Group. So thank you for being our bronze sponsor. Our gold sponsors were Bank of America. Bank of America has supported us now 3 years standing, and they not only support this, but also events throughout the year. So thank you, Bofa, Ashish, wherever you are. And Miracle Systems, I know Sharad is not here, but thank you, Miracle Systems team, for your support. And for the very best platinum sponsor, thank you, Harmonia, for your support. We couldn't have moved an inch without our sponsor. So please let the dollars keep coming every year. Try to up it just a little bit. It would help us greatly. Well, pulling together a program is one thing. Populating it is quite another. But giving flight to voices and ideas that require intellect, temperament, and judgment, and most of all, time in one's busy calendars. That's what our panelists did. They put time and effort in putting together their thoughts and ideas and sharing it with us. So a very big thank you to all our panelists today. Today's theme was innovations, emerging trends and opportunities, and our elite panelists highlighted very lucidly all the areas that the government is looking forward to investing in the near future. So to a big benefit to all the federal government contractors here. So a big shout out for Keith Bluestein from SBA, Alistair Thompson from NIH, Rajiv Uppal from CMS, Robin, and I'm going to really mess up this name, so apologies up front, Robin Thottungal from OPM. They served on the panel on emerging trends and opportunities in GovCon, so wonderfully moderated by Manish Malhotra, our past president. Also a big shout out to Keith Jones, I know he's here in the room, from the Department of State, and Vishal Gupta from Lexmark, serving on the panel of innovations and opportunities in GovCon, moderated by our very own, my very own, Mark Abrams, CTO of Harmonia. After such wonderful speakers, I'm wondering how the tomorrow panelists will do an encore. The bar is set really high. But tomorrow is yet another wonderful day. We have panels on health IT, big data and advanced analytics, cyber and defense, digital modernization and hybrid cloud. And we will open the day with our opening keynote by Troy Stovall, CEO of TETCO, and the closing keynote by Madam Speaker of the Virginia House of Delegates, the first ever female and the youngest ever in the history of Virginia. So it promises to be an exciting day. This year, for the very first time, as a brainchild of my dear husband who kept saying, what are you going to do different? We started the Elite Awards program. Elite was named by Juhi and Sumit. They debated a lot before they came up, and we had a lot of debate on the name, but it's very well put. So thank you, and Juhit and Sumit, for running this program so well. It took a lot of work, especially when you start something which doesn't have any foundation to it. So really appreciate that. Heartiest congratulations again to all our winners. Gautam Ajur, Jay Chawla, Manish Agarwal, all in the room. Jay Challa, what did I say? Oh, Jay Challa, sorry. I have become Americanized over the evening. And then our government winners. Okay, I'm going to do this easy. Rob Brown, because somebody corrected. Robert does not want to be called that way by me. Kate Weatherby and Barbara Lopreski. Thank you very much to our jurors also. It's not an easy job. Thank you, Brandy Daly, Deepak Hatiramani, Marilyn Kruter from the industry and from the government side, Alan Thomas, Jerry McKinn, Major General Sue Dewitt. Now, I've messed up your name. Perfect, thank you. You are very elegant, I must say. We kept talking throughout the evening. Lastly, I'd like to close the day by thanking some people without which pulling this GovCon together would not have been possible. First and foremost, RMK and their team, Jennifer and Annamel. Where are you guys? Thank you for all you do. Dealing with mostly, and I'll be sexist here, Indian men with big egos is not easy. You handle them very well. Heartfelt thanks also to the entire DC board, and especially to our GovCon panel, which was of Raj Patil, Sumit Luthra, Mark Emery, Prabhakar Murugaya, I got that right, Mahesh Joshi, Srini Bhai Reddy, Jui Naitheni, and Sumit Srivastava. Thank you for all the work you did. And my sincerest thanks. I was away for 3 weeks at Harvard trying to grow a brain. So even though I'm co-chair, I did no work. This is the first time I'm spending a minute. So thank you to Sundi and Manish, my co-chairs, for not only doing the work of their share, but doing my share. Really appreciate it. With that, no event is possible if there's no attendees. So thank you, everybody who's here, who came to support this event. When we opened it up, maybe 3 weeks back, the first day we had no signees, and I've said that throughout the evening. And the next day at around midday, we had our first signee, the youngest man in the room, Mr. Junior Hatiramani. Thank you. We popped open a bottle of champagne then. But thank you all for being here. Without you, there's no event. And with that, I can still take 10 minutes more, or no? No? Okay. Have a good night. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.